girl ZiAsia, and I'm back once again to slay a day. You recall from last week, remember I said I was going to make a wig out of the human hair bundles that I got online. I had 3 bundles for about $50 and it came with the free closure. Well, that is what I did. To be honest with you guys, this is the first wig I ever made, so it's not perfect, but I think once I customize this part, open it up, add some concealer and foundation, it'll look way more natural. But let's just go ahead and get this hair on and let's get it styling so we can just add this to the list of wigs that we slayed. So here she is, my very first wig, and I'm gonna name her Camilla. That is my second favorite name after ZiAsia, of course. But anyway, here she is, guys. Please be nice. This is my first wig, okay? The only thing that I would say is that, like, it is a little lumpy toward the back, and I tried my hardest to prevent that. But like, I had to use all of the hair because it wasn't that much hair to begin with. I had to put as much hair on this wig as possible. And I know I said I was going to add another bundle to this wig, but since it was my first wig and I was already having trouble trying to get this wig to lay as flat as possible, I just opted to leave the extra hair out. Though I do wish this wig was a little bit thicker. But you know what? I'm just going to look on the bright side. I have my first human hair wig. It's not itchy. It moves with the wind. It's looking like it's growing out of my scalp. Okay, I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it. Not with this part. Okay, not with this part, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and customize this closure. So first on our to-do list, let me tuck my hair, is to pluck this part. So this is the part after I'm done plucking it, and this is about as much hair that I plucked from this part, which really breaks my heart because this wig is already thin enough. Now all that's left to do is add concealer to the part to give it that flesh tone of like soap base closures. Since this is my human hair wig, I don't want to add mascara to this, so I'm just going to add a little bit of eyeshadow along the sides of my part, just to make it a little bit darker, make my line a little bit more straight, and make it blend a little bit better and look a little bit more natural. So you can use this to correct any mistakes that you made if you plucked too much from any one spot, or you got some of the concealer on the hair. Just go ahead and cover all that up with the eyeshadow. Miss Camilla is coming through. The homegirl is not coming to play. So here's my part. Okay, there. I plucked it, added concealer and eyeshadow. Now I'm going to just cut this wig to frame my face now. Some Smooth and Shine hair polisher to my wig, and I'm going to run my flat iron through the hair. Okay, y'all, so here is the absolute final look. Let me give you a spin. Overall, I'm happy with it. Give you one more look at this parting space. It looks way better to me than what we started out with, and I am so proud of myself. So thank you. Let's give me a round of applause. That is my very first wig, guys. I'm so happy that I got to share this with you guys. Y'all don't know how much it means to me to like be here. Like now I'm actually making wigs. Like this is opening a whole new door, and I'm starting on a whole nother journey, guys. So I would love it if you guys would come along with me. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for tuning in back to back. I really appreciate it. It really keeps me going. Like I said, this was all for you guys. I spent 2 days working on this wig just so I can make this video for you guys. So if that's not dedication, I don't know what is, and I don't know what else I can do to show you guys that I'm serious, and I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I will be delivering you the best content that I am capable of. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.